How to add a background image in Snapseed. To add a background image in Snapseed, start by opening the app. Now tap on the screen. Browse to the image that you want to add background image on. Once the image is loaded up, now click on the tool icon which is located at the bottom of your screen. Now look for a double exposure icon. Once you click on it, now you can see the option for add image. Tap on it. Now choose the background image that you want to use. Once the background appears, adjust its position, size and opacity using the available tools. You can also experiment with different blending modes. After adjusting the background, tap on the check mark to apply the changes. If needed, use the brush tool to refine the blending further. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add a background image in Snapseed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.